With almost 20 years of experience in signage lighting business and having the only EU R&D and manufacturing on the old continent, Baltled has learned how to solve almost any signage problem. As the world's first adopter of 9-volt LED technology and the creator of what is probably the world's smallest optical module, we continue to push the boundaries of the existing signage lighting market. Our products are used in a wide range of applications, from letterbox signage to the control of lighting systems. Together with 41 partners, we are ready to serve your needs in 52 countries. Our signage products include a wide variety of LED modules, retrofits, power supplies, and more. From basic modules for simple projects to premium solutions for complex signage, each will find their solution. We have our own factory in Lithuania, Europe, where we manufacture unique products with a 10-year warranty and have the ability to customize using semi or fully automated manufacturing processes. Our solutions are known for their ease and speed of installation, resistance to harsh environments, effectiveness, and reliability with a failure rate of less than 0.02%. We are trusted as a reliable partner by well-known brands of advertising manufacturers worldwide. Our products are successfully used in backlighting, edge lighting, ceiling lighting, street furniture lighting applications. You can find our LED solutions in major projects worldwide, in cities like Paris, Milan, London, Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Dubai, and others. Why Baltled as a partner? R&D EU. Up to 10 years warranty. Custom solutions. Almost no returns. Dedicated to greenery and efficiency. Before you decide, we warmly invite you to join us as a partner or client. Please contact our staff.